Alright folks, TFG and Mike here from the Geekcast Radio Network. It's another Spread the Mud level. I gotta say, I'm not coming around to Spread the Mud levels, but I'm much happier with them lately. Be sure to visit geekcastradio.com for all your podcasting needs from me, along with Steve Megatron, Optimus Solo, the Comic Concierge, and more. Oh boy, no, Linda, I'm not ready. You know, every time she says, "Are you ready?" I'm going to always say, "No, I'm not ready." I'm going to use that to get rid of this ice. Because I think if I get rid of the ice first, it's going to be the best part of the day here for this level. Look at the, wow, look at that, folks. That's just getting rid of ice. It's not really doing anything else other than just getting rid of the ice immediately. Interesting. Cool. Oh wow, double burger. Wow. I was not expecting the double burger to do all that, but wow, very cool. Normally I don't buy boops, but I want that burger. You know what, folks? This might be my shortest mud level ever. Maybe. I don't know. I'd have to go back and watch the replays. Okay, where's the one I'm missing? There you are, you sneaky little minx. Okay, so I'm missing more than one? Probably these here. Yep. There we go. I think. Aha! Got it. Wow, folks. Holy crap. That's crazy, but that's 1,110 levels. Alright, you can catch me on geekcastradio.com. You can catch all the other videos here on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for doing all the liking and the commenting and everything else. Y'all are amazing. So thank you so much. Here is a little preview of 111, or 1111 I should say, not 111, 1111. 1011, if I could talk. So there you go. Gib Tortilla Amigo. Catch you next time, folks.